What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to schedule Instagram posts. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First off, it's essential to know that scheduling content on Instagram requires a professional account. This can be either a creator or business account. If you are currently using a personal account, switching to a professional one is straightforward and unlocks various features, including the ability to schedule posts. To switch to a professional account, begin by tapping on the 3 horizontal bars at the top right of your Instagram profile. From there, select Settings. Scroll down until you see the Account option. Upon selecting this, scroll down to the bottom and choose Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will then guide you through the benefits of switching and ask you to select a category that best describes your account. Don't worry, you have the option to keep this category private from your profile. Once you've switched to a professional account, creating and scheduling a post is your next step. Tap on the Create button at the bottom of your Instagram app to start crafting your post. Choose the content you wish to share, whether it's a photo or a video, and proceed to customize it with filters, music, or captions as you normally would. After finalizing your post, look for the Advanced Settings option before publishing. Here, you will find the scheduling feature. Activate the Schedule this post toggle and select the desired date and time for your post to go live. Confirm by pressing Set Time. After scheduling, you can manage your queued posts by navigating to your profile, tapping on the 3 horizontal bars again and selecting Scheduled Content. This section allows you to view, edit, or delete scheduled posts. Editing options include rescheduling or opting to share the post immediately. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.